kicking the soccer ball around, just taking in all those nice warm temperature as the weekend wraps up. Now the question is, all that humidity, could they bring in a few showers? We saw a few here and there yesterday.
Sure, a lot of people in that video, they're sweating today.
They're sweating.
That
it's
humidity.
a little warmer than normal. That's
yeah, it's
around this time of year.
It's a little too moist for me outside, unfortunately. But it is May, and the hot weather is here to stay for the next couple of months, but some below average temperatures could sneak into the forecast here. We'll show you that in a minute. There's a live look at Fort Smith. Lots of clouds around in some parts of our area today. That's kind of keeping temperatures in check a little bit. Some peaks of clouds and sunshine atop the Arkansas Children's Northwest Hospital here in Springdale and in Fayetteville. Right now it looks like more clouds than sunshine. Now this week, very messy, very difficult forecast. I'm just saying it's a low predictability weather pattern that we're in. With those basic rain chances almost every day, but when and exactly where, that's the million-dollar question. Also the possibility of maybe some clusters of storms Monday, maybe late Monday night and into Tuesday. And like I said, rain chances almost every day, all week long. There's a look at the pattern right now, and you can see everybody that's dealing with the rainfall. Clusters of thunderstorms up across Illinois, northern Louisiana, back across Texas like last night. This activity, though, will remain to our south yet again tonight. And also some rainfall up across the Great Lakes as well. Real summer-like pattern here across the southeast and central plains as well. Temperatures right now into the lower 80s for the most part. A little bit cooler in Winslow there at 78, Gravitz at 79. 81 in Van Buren, a degree warmer in Fort Smith at 82. But all of these numbers are 5 to 7 degrees cooler than we were at this point yesterday. And we'll be mostly quiet tonight. Some of the models are saying, yeah, there might be a stray sprinkle in some locations south of the Bobby Hopper Tunnel this evening. I think most of tomorrow should be dry. If you're heading to the north and the east in the morning, there could be a thunderstorm complex that slides by well to our north. That cold front you see toward the top of your screen, that is what could trigger some showers and storms tomorrow night. North of Highway 412 early on, and then this activity will slowly sag through in the overnight hours to Monday night and into Tuesday, where it could be a little bit of a wet morning commute Tuesday morning. An isolated severe storm is possible. This is the SPC's best guess. Better chances for severe weather with that thunderstorm complex to our north and our east. And then we turn our attention to the climate patterns. 6 to 10 days out, pretty good chance of temperatures around right where they should be for this time of the year. But the below average temperatures could creep in here as we get toward the middle part of the month. There is some confidence in below average temperatures for our area. Highs back in the 50s and 60s as opposed to the 80s and 90s, which I think most people will take. And then our lows tonight, yeah, back into the 60s, a muggy night, another air conditioner night, unfortunately. And we'll be back into the 80s and 90s, another widespread hot day. There's a look at the extended forecast, which features numerous impact days. A lot of this is evening and overnight, folks, so don't think this week is going to be a washout. Widespread rain, though, does look possible Wednesday and Thursday before we start to cool off as we get toward the end of the week. River Valley, about the same thing. Lots of rainfall chances for a good part of the week, but temperatures slowly cooling off almost every day throughout the week. When we come back, Meredith Malke, Razorback bats were red hot today. We'll have all the highlights coming up.